Pres.Weah in 1 year has not completed more than 10 kilometers of road. I challenge the Ministry of Public Works and the entire government to debate with me on it. In 1 year, Ellen did 60 kilometers of road. In 12 years, Ellen did 700 or more kilometers of road. In 1 year, Pres.Weah has done less than 10 kilometers of road, and somebody say he's the best person since 1847. I read Carrasco Post today, 1 year. They were listing the accomplishments, achievements of Pres.Weah as president in 1 year. They listed free tuition at the public university paid as an accomplishment. I never knew that a pronouncement or a commitment is an accomplishment. They listed the building of an uncompleted military hospital. I didn't know it is an achievement when it's uncompleted. I could go on listing all the unfulfilled promises that they listed as achievement. And citizens, they are saying everything all right. Sense of direction is lost. That is why I don't bother with a group I call Tiny Citizen. Green. Small citizen. I go for the masters and the generals. This country is going nowhere if we continue on this line and expecting that it will change.